What's up, YouTube? This is Super Rider 15, and I thought I'd do all these quad videos, and I got my little pit bike in the background. I thought I'd do a walk around video of it finally. It's got my number plate on there from last year. It's got spider grips. I think that's a Honda twist throttle. I don't know. They just replaced it. It's got some Bridgestone 10-inch tires. It's got a K&N filter with a custom outerwear made out of pantyhose. And that's pretty. It's got a rim lock on it too. It's right there for all that torque. Yeah, it's a Baja Dirt Runner 49 or something like that. I don't even remember. It's got a custom cut front fender. I was thinking about putting my my YFZ handlebar clamps on it, putting the 7/8 bars on it. That'd be kind of cool. I had to drill it out right there, make it wider. It's currently not running right now for some reason. I don't know why. I cleaned the air filter. When I took the air filter off, and it almost started. I didn't want to start it without the air filter on it, but it kicked over and it sounded like it would start, but I cleaned it, I put it back on, wouldn't start. So it's probably a spark plug, but I don't have a long socket to take it out, so had to go get one of those tomorrow. Really pissed off about that because last weekend I cracked the case on my quad, so now it's freaking done for the rest of the season. I'm gonna have to race a borrowed bike. I don't know if you can see it, it cracks right. Yeah. No, you can't see it. I don't have a light either. Wait, yeah, I do. Yeah. Shit. It's right there. There's free cracks. Yeah, and then there's another one right there. So this thing's done, but it's gonna get a fully built motor. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be 60 plus horsepower monster whenever I get it back. So then I find out that this thing don't run, but hopefully I can get it fixed so I can have it in time for the weekend. But thanks for watching. This is Super Rider 15. Comment, subscribe. Peace out.